Have you ever wondered about a smartphone charging with solar energy? Or does it have a color-changing body according to the temperature? Or can it be controlled with your mind? Well, a lot more rumors are spreading like this about the new project of the famous automobile company, Tesla. Yes, Musk has planned to make a smartphone with a lot of unpredictable features in it. The smartphone is rumored to have been named as Tesla Model Pi. Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. We are back with another interesting video for all you tech lovers. In today's video, I will be telling you about the much-awaited Tesla smartphone, Tesla Model Pi. We will take a close look at what Musk wants his own design mobile phone to be like and what features it will possess. Let's begin without wasting any more time. According to reports, the Texas-based company is working on a cutting-edge new smartphone that could incorporate some of the technology used in its electric vehicles. While no official announcement has been made, the possibility of such a device being in the works is not completely ruled out. Elon Musk, the company's CEO, has a history of surprising customers, and this could be the next ace up his sleeve. The work on Tesla's new project, Tesla Model Pi, has begun. This upcoming Tesla smartphone will have a unique design and specifications, as well as a number of features that no other smartphone has. You may have never heard of the features because they are so unique. The features are meant to be distinctive, as you guys know who the CEO is. Elon Musk is a man with wild ideas, and the Model Pi will be exactly that, with many features that no one can imagine. There have been some very interesting smartphone features revealed, and if they are true, the entire smartphone market and internet sources will collapse. Before moving on to further discussions, let's have a look at what kind of specifications it may have regarding its camera, Snapdragon processor, display, storage, and more. The display on his futuristic smartphone is expected to be of more than 6.9 inches, with a Super AMOLED 4K resolution. The display is good enough, but the more notable feature here is the safety of the screen and display. The Model Pi will be equipped with a Corning Gorilla Glass protection that can save your phone from high feet drops. This means that even if you drop your phone or it falls out of your hands, the screen will not break, and the display will be alright, and you won't have to pay the extra dollars for the repair. A Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 5G chipset processor will power the phone, in addition to the display and glass. And most importantly, the most awaited thing, Android version 12 will be included in this smartphone. That will take it to another level and will provide a couple of more features in it. Moving on with RAM and storage. The Tesla Model Pi is expected to have 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM, 256 or 512 gigabytes of storage, with an extra 2 terabytes of flash storage. Your Tesla phone will run so smoothly with 16 gigabytes of RAM that you won't even believe. Also, the storage space is large enough that you can easily download and store large files. In the SIM card section, the phone will support dual SIM along with the 5G technology. It's now time to see how much power it has. Model Pi is expected to have a 5,000 or 7,000 mAh battery, which will provide long-term support and eliminate the need to charge it frequently. Even though, if you are out and not carrying your charger, then don't worry. Here comes the solar charging feature. If you are a Tesla lover, then you might know that most of the Tesla vehicles support solar charging, right? The same technology will be used to charge the smartphone. Don't worry, it won't have solar panels, although the information is not provided yet. Also, the solar charging cannot charge your phone to its most, but only a bit to use it in an emergency. Now, as we are talking about the smartphone, then how to forget the cameras? The Tesla Model Pi is rumored to have a quad rear camera setup. Now, before letting you know the power of its cameras, comment down how many of you love to click pictures. Continuing with the cameras, you will have an Ultra HD 108 megapixels camera at the back with two 50 megapixels and one 5 megapixels cameras. Talking about the front one, it will have a 48 pixels front camera that will let you click the best of your images. What is more interesting is that you can zoom up to 200 times using the rear camera. With this feature revealed, people are believed to say that we will be able to click images of the Milky Way using the Model Pi. Never to say it's real or fake. But one thing is clear, that the quality of the cameras are best, and you will get the best pics than any other smartphone. Specifications are great to hear, right? Now do you want something more astonishing? Keep watching, as now we're going to have a look at some of the most special features of the Tesla Model Pi. Ever thought of a smartphone that can support the internet in any weather conditions or anywhere throughout the world? Probably not. But Model Pi can help you get that tool. Model Pi is supposed to be a smartphone for Mars. It can support the internet using Starlink. Starlink is a space-based service provided by the SpaceX company. Musk thought to attach a side antenna with the smartphone so that it could be connected with the Starlink and provide its users the best experience of getting up to 210 megabits per second. Well, this might not be that surprising, but what about thinking to control your smartphone using your brain and not your hands? Interesting, right? The Neuralink project, led by Elon Musk, aims to develop ultra-high bandwidth machine interfaces that connect human brains to computers. The Model Pi, according to reports, would connect directly to the user's brain and work in accordance with their wishes. Elon claims to be working on the first neural implant that will allow you to control a computer or mobile device from anywhere, simply by thinking about it and using your brain's activity. This feature is most likely one of my favorites. What are your thoughts? How many of you are crypto investors? Probably many of you. And if you are a crypto miner, Model Pi can be one of your favorites. It has also been rumored that it will be used to mine cryptocurrencies. Musk has previously expressed interest in cryptocurrencies, so it's understandable that he would want to include this feature in his phone. Although Bitcoin is more widely used, and Musk is likely to prefer Dogecoin, it's possible that Tesla's phone will mine a new coin called Mars Coin. Musk came up with the name Mars Coin in one of his tweets. Some major hardware would have to be implemented for this to work reliably. It will be usable on Mars and will also function as a cryptocurrency wallet. Some of its other features also include the color-changing wallet and Tesla Key. Model Pi is supposed to change color as per the environment and temperature. Also, it will have an inbuilt application using which you can control your Tesla car. Now, as there are damn many features in this phone, it's likely to cost you around $800 to $1,000. Prices are too high, but its features are also not less. One could not even think that smartphones such as this can actually exist. But as the project is related to Musk, most of the people are finding it real. Musk has made so many achievements in the field of technology, and it's not a big deal for him to make a device like that. Everyone is eagerly awaiting when the smartphone is going to launch, and somehow if it is launched in or before 2025, the whole generation is going to be changed. As you are aware, with the features of the smartphone, you can understand what I meant when I say that. Let's see, will Musk introduce this mobile phone into the market before 2025 or not? As the features are, it's also clear that it will give a tough competition to the iPhone and Samsung smartphones a lot. Let's just wait and see what will happen when the Model Pi is launched. What do you guys think? Will Musk be successful with this project? Will smartphones with features like this come into existence in the future? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit that like button very hard with your fist and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this, and also push that notification bell so that you will never miss any new videos from us. I'll catch you in the next video later.